In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a voiceover to your project using CapCut. CapCut is a powerful and user-friendly video editing tool that you can easily access on your mobile device or computer, helping you create engaging content with ease. Whether you're working on a personal project, crafting content for social media, or making professional videos, adding a voiceover can be a fantastic way to enhance your video and ensure your message gets across clearly. First, you'll want to open CapCut and start a new project. This is your blank canvas, free of distractions, where your creative journey begins. Once you have your new project open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the Audio tab. Click on it. This tab is your gateway to all things audio-related and gives you the tools you need to add the perfect soundtrack to your video. Now, over on the left panel, you should see all sorts of options. From these, you'll want to select VoiceOver. Think of this as the narrator's booth of your project, a place where you can add your unique perspective and bring your story to life through voice. Once you've selected VoiceOver, it's time to click on the Record button. Prepare your script or message, take a deep breath, and begin speaking. It's your chance to convey your message or narrate your story, so feel free to express yourself clearly and naturally. Remember, practice makes perfect, and you can always do retakes if needed. Once you've finished speaking, click the Record button again to stop. And just like that, your voiceover is recorded. It will automatically appear as a new audio track beneath your video timeline, neatly integrated into your project. It's exciting to see it all coming together, isn't it? The great thing about CapCut is that you can trim and adjust your voiceover just as you would with any other audio clip. Simply click on the audio track, use the trimming tool to snip out any unnecessary pauses or mistakes, and drag it to align perfectly with your video. This level of control allows you to ensure that your voiceover complements your visuals seamlessly, making your entire project more cohesive and engaging. Remember, the key to great content is clarity and quality. So take the time to review your voiceover and make any necessary adjustments. With these simple steps, you've successfully added a voiceover to your CapCut project, giving your video an added layer of professionalism and polish. Keep experimenting and creating, and don't forget to share your amazing work with the world. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.